Hey everybody, back again. Let me make sure I hit the record button. Okay. All right, here's another one. Another fabric wrapped recipe organizer. 8.5 by 2. And this one has another antique button with fish charm and a little bell. You know, the kind that, oh, and a bead. And I think this is a mood bead. I'm not sure. Looks like it's changing. Yeah, it's a mood bead. All right, here's the front with the old cookbook scanned in. The recipe spine. And there's the back with some cute little pig paper. All right. It's a pretty flowers. This one's pretty. Tag with the measuring chart. Nothing on the back. I can get it back in here now. Appetizers. Again with the 12. Sides and pasta is what this one says. Soups and salads. This one's very fresh and gardeny looking. Beef, little cow. Chicken. Pork. I think this came in a scrapbook set. Seafood. And again, you can decorate it up. And desserts. And here's the back. Meat temperature chart, nothing on the back. All right. And that is this one. And it is also available on the Etsy store. Thanks for watching.